Hello YouTubers and RVers, thank you very much for watching our videos. I can't thank you enough for doing that. We really appreciate it. Well, we're having fun in our RV, and today the fun we're having is playing around with a couple of, well, or actually 5 upgrades that I think you're gonna like. These are easy and quick and simple, and some of the people on the internet are calling game changers, and I'd have to agree with this. At least a couple of them you're gonna think, why didn't I do this before? All right, but the neat thing is, this isn't gonna be one of these things where I spend like 8 minutes talking about some upgrade, how to do it, and why you should do it, or something like that. No, this is gonna be one of our quick little videos of 5 quick and easy, really useful upgrades in 5 minutes. Are you ready? Okay, well, as always, be sure and share our videos with your friends, and like and subscribe and all those type of things. And I'd really like to take a moment to talk about our great sponsor. I'd like to do it, but we don't have a great sponsor, so I guess that's not going to happen. All right, so here we go. Are we ready? Here we go. 5 really cool, quick and easy upgrades in 5 minutes. Start the clock. Okay, the very first one is going to have to be about these compartment doors right here, okay? If you have a key to the compartment that says CH751 on it, that little silver key, CH751, hey, you've just won the lottery. You also have a key to just about every other RV in that campground. Well, unfortunately, they also have the key to yours. And so if you don't want that to be the case, you can go to Home Depot or Lowe's or something like that, and just for a few little bucks, you can change out the lock in that thing. It's quick and easy. Just make sure you get the right size. Take out the old one. This little barrel here has got to be the right size, and that's got to be the right shape and things like that. But it's easy. A lot of these things come with all the different combinations you could have. So that's upgrade number 1. Hey, get a new lock for your compartment door so everybody else in the campground doesn't have the same key as you. All right, that's good. The next thing we're going to talk about is the outside sprayer upgrade. If you have an RV that's not a 17B, something that costs maybe twice as much, like a Winnebago or some other big name, it's probably going to come, well, first off, any RV that comes with an outside cooking kitchen kind of thing, it's going to have this too, and that is an outside sprayer. You can take your garden hose or whatever, hook it up on there, and you have a sprayer for washing your feet off, washing your bicycle off, washing your fishing poles off, or whatever you need to outside. A really handy thing to do, but you don't have that on the Coleman 17B unless you do this. All right, to have a handy dandy outside sprayer on your Coleman 17B, or maybe on your Forest River or something like that, all you got to do is go to Lowe's, Home Depot, or whatever. You got to buy one of these. You got to get this is like a 6-foot, they call it a 6-foot hose that hooks on there, and a sprayer. You hook this onto your water, hook your white hose onto one of these, hook this on the other, and now you've got a handy dandy outside sprayer. Right about now, there's probably a video of me actually demonstrating how this works, and I got to tell you, it really is kind of handy. There's lots of things you want to kind of wash off outside sometimes, you know, shoes, feet, things like that. And so, especially if you're at the beach or something, it's really handy, and it costs maybe 24 bucks or something to have this sort of thing hooked up there. Really easy. That was okay. Let's go to the next one. All right, you know, to suggest something to use these command hooks for, something like that, is kind of silly sometimes to really call that an upgrade. But you know, we don't have any place in this Coleman 17B to really hang clothes. If it's only the 2 of us, I put a clothes rod in the bunk area, and it is set up to hang clothes there. We use it like a closet. But if somebody else is with us, or we're just not going that far for very long, what I did was I put these new types of command hooks on the ends of this compartment up here, or whatever you want to call it. And these are heavy metal, and the sticky strength of this particular type of command device is actually rated as a lot stronger, hold more weight. This goes right back on here. Oh, here we go. There it is, right there, just like that. You can hang your clothes on it. They're out of the way. Even if you're sitting in the dinette, hey, we've got a video coming up on modifying the dinette you're not going to want to miss. Okay, see how that works? Hang up coats or whatever you need there, and these are supposed to be super strong, and they seem to be. So there you go. There's a handy dandy little device for you right there. Okay, the next one is a modification or an addition, I guess you could say, that people on the internet are sometimes calling a game changer. This is one of those things that, man, I wish I'd thought of from the very, very beginning. Or why don't they put something like this on the RV? Here it is. Here's the deal. It's this little handle right there, just like that. It costs $18, easy to put on. But the neat thing is, it's handier than you would believe, because if this thing's open up all the way, you got to get up and pretty much step out on the step in order to find something, namely this plastic thing right here, or reach inside of here, or reach, there's not really a handle here. You got to reach over here and get this handle to shut it, and that messes things up. So having a handle here like this means from almost any position, you can work the door, give it a good strong tug, and it's good to go. Chances are you probably still have the shower head that came on your RV. You need to get rid of it. Okay, you just do. And replace it with one of these water saver shower heads. This uses less than half the amount of water. Well, most of the time we're not boondocking it, and we don't really care about it because we've got a faucet that we're hooked to. But in the state of Texas, in Texas's 89 different state parks, some of them have no full service sewer hookups, and others have maybe 7 or something like that. They may have 100 different campsites, but like 7 of them have sewer hookup or something like that, and those are usually reserved for the park hosts even. So what happens is, if you're hooked up to water, you either got to shower in one of the camp showers, or if you're going to use your shower, you end up quickly filling up your gray tank by having, and sometimes all you want to do is wash off a little bit because you've been to the beach. Okay, these sprayers work really well. You can't hardly tell the difference with the amount of water that comes on, but these holes here are nearly microscopic. The water runs great, and you can hose off real quickly with it, and you don't fill up your gray tank. All right, this and that door handle might be my 2 favorite things on this episode. All right, it really does pay off in a lot of ways. So that's it. 5 upgrades or hacks in 5 minutes. I hope that was only 5 minutes. I hope I see you down the road, and keep having fun in your RV, because we're having fun in ours. All right, thanks a lot for watching, and we'll catch you guys later.